Okay, so it's about 9 o'clock. I kind of slept in. I spent my first night in the tent last night. I can't believe they call this a two-person tent. And yeah, I hung my bear bag right there. It's still there this morning. And then down over here is a river, so I can get some water. Okay, so it's about 10:45. I'm getting a pretty late start. I got out of my tent about 9, so filled up water, filtered that, packed up my bag, made some hot chocolate, ate a Pop-Tart, brushed my teeth. Check the map. I'm going to try to make it to at least Bromley Shelter, which is about 10 miles from here north, so I'd like to at least make it to there. This is about as easy as it gets out here. Pretty flat, not many roots or rocks. There's little sections like this, but they're kind of few and far between. This is a first for me, walking on a dirt road. This is the trail. Well, I was just hiking along that dirt road. I don't know, 3/4 of a mile. I stopped on the side, leaned up against a rock and ate some lunch, and then there was a little sign that there was a lookout just about 200 feet off that dirt road. And this is a heck of a view up here. I'm not sure what this lookout is called. I think that's Manchester down there actually. Okay, so it's starting to drizzle. I turned on my phone, my radar, and looks like a line of thunderstorms coming this way. So I just stuck my pack cover on because I don't have everything in a plastic bag inside there. So hopefully it doesn't rain too hard, because if I had known, I would have put everything inside of a plastic bag, but hopefully that'll do the trick, the pack cover. Okay, I made it here to the Spruce Peak Shelter. I'm going to wait a little while, see if this rain passes by. This is the first shelter I've come to that it's kind of enclosed. It's just got this doorway here inside. It's pretty dark. But yeah, it's got two like big bunk sections here. Two bunk sections there. Table. Right there is a wood burning stove. Pretty cool. It's been raining about a half an hour now. Not too hard, but you know, I'm getting a little bit wet. So this is my first day on the trail with rain. Just stopped to have a snack, some chocolate and water. So I'm making my way to Bromley Shelter. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon. Oh, it's still coming down. I actually don't really mind hiking in the rain. I just didn't really secure everything in my pack to prevent it from getting wet if it did rain, so hopefully the pack cover is good enough for right now. That's good advice. About to cross Route 11. This is about 55 approximately miles on the long trail so far. This is really just the second road that I'll be crossing. The first one was Route 9, and this will be the second one at about 55 miles in to the hike. This is my 6th day on the trail, I think. Alright, made it across. Safe. And the trail should be over there somewhere. Bromley Brook, I love you. It's true. Because I do need water, and I think I may stay at the shelter about 1.5 miles up Bromley Mountain. Otherwise, I'll have to go over Bromley, and I'm I'm pretty wet. I'm very wet and I'm tired, so I'm gonna fill up water here in case I need to stay around the shelter. I don't know if there'll be another water source before I get there or after the shelter. I should be getting the Bromley shelter fairly soon. I hope. Okay, made it to the Bromley shelter. I'm really happy to make it. I was pretty tired and I'm soaking wet, and I think I'm done for the day. It's, I think, just before 6 o'clock. Pretty cool shelter. It's got a top level and a bottom level down here. Table. And a little fire pit. Alright, what are we eating tonight? Mesquite barbecue, seasoned chicken. Nice. Okay, 7:15. I'm in the sleeping bag. Might do a little bit of reading, and I'm alone here. No one else has come to the shelter. But someone could show up, but I may have it to myself tonight.